As we know, the pandemic has changed the way we learn, pushing us towards a new era of self-learning through online modes. However, not everyone has an access to good internet connectivity or quality educational resources. Furthermore, these resources might be too difficult to understand, especially for beginners. There's a lack of educational content being available in the student's native language, restricting education for a majority of population. Our goal is to create a web application that uses the power of artificial intelligence to overcome these challenges. This is the solution we created to tackle the mentioned problem. So this is our platform MindCraft that uses the power of generative AI and large language model to simplify learning and make it more interactive, interesting and fun. Students need to register themselves on the platform before getting started. We'll have a basic information about the user such as their name, email address. We will also take some unique information such as current courses they are enrolled in and their interest, which will be used to generate recommendations. We can use students' college ID to verify the information provided by them. We have now created our account. Let's log in. These are the recommendations given to the user based on the interest that he has in, and also his background. Further, these recommendations would be updated based on the courses that he has enrolled in. We have our own virtual assistant that can help you with navigating the platform as well as with general queries, like what are the features of MindCraft. Also, to add on what courses to go for if my major is in business analytics or data science. The cool thing about virtual assistant is that you can converse in any language and it's accessible on any page. So it can even help you in scenarios where you don't know the meaning of a word in the courses or you didn't understand a particular concept. This is the Explorer page. This is where the magic happens. You can ask any topic here and it will generate the courses for you using Gen AI. Let's say right now I want to learn about linear algebra. I'll just search the topic and then use Gen AI for creating a course on this topic. One thing that we made sure while creating a solution was to get the most out of generative AI. So we are using a hierarchical approach to learning rather than generating a simple process. We divide the topic that the student wishes to learn into basic module, which is for students who have little knowledge to no knowledge about the topic, and advanced modules for students who want to dive deeper into the topic. You also provide the input in any language of your choice and MindCraft will automatically recognize the language and generate the courses in that language. You can change the language easily from the drop-down menu. Let's start learning a module. Now we'll divide this module into further sub-modules and ask the LLM to generate the content on every sub-modules. Each sub-modules will consist of the definition, example, real-life applications, etc. You can choose to download the audio for this if you're bored of reading. MindCraft will also provide you additional resources such as links. Module also consists of the audio files that can be downloaded and listened.
Enable computers to learn from data, improve their performance over time without human intervention.
Later, you can download the course and access it anytime. page to answer various queries about the topic. Just for example, you can ask, "Can you explain me the page which is displayed right now?" Possible many times, it's difficult to understand. You can ask the virtual assistant to simplify it. Users can put the knowledge to test with the impressive quizzes, providing a fun and insightful way to measure the understanding and track down the progress. In order to test the fundamental concepts of a particular course, the theoretical quizzes are designed. Applied quiz, where you can apply your understanding to the real-world scenarios and problem-solving exercise. Conversational AI quiz is one of the USPs of MindCraft, where users have to simply answer the question by speaking, allowing the AI to access and evaluate accordingly.
Explain the basics of machine learning and provide an example of how it is used in real life.
There are three main elements to every machine learning algorithm: representation, evaluation, and optimization. There are two types of machine learning: supervised and unsupervised. In real life applications, we use both these types. For example, in facial recognition, where we use machine learning for their mobile photos and Facebook tagging, but now someone is immediately tagged and verified by comparing analyzing patterns through facial contours.
Web context is one of the features of MindCraft. We know that the large language model do not have an access to the latest information. They are only available to the topics that they are trained on. For example, if we ask the ChatGPT what is LoRa in large language model, it will be confused as ChatGPT is not aware of it. We overcome this problem by combining the natural language understanding capabilities of the LLM with the additional information from the web. This ensures that students can learn about the latest educational content in any field. This technique is referred to as retrieval augmented generation, that is RAG, in LLM terminology. Trending page. Trending page displays the topic and the course that are in demand, make sure that the user stay updated with the latest trends. The homepage consists of tabs that include in progress displaying the courses that need to be resumed, alongside the tabs which shows the grades of previously completed courses. Additionally, there is a dashboard that showcases users' daily login activity. Before leaving, let's meet Isaac. The main purpose of it is to provide an interactive learning through 3D models which can give you a classroom-like environment, better than just reading the notes.
Can you explain activation functions in machine learning?
Activation functions in machine learning are mathematical functions that introduce non-linearity into the output of a neural network, allowing it to learn complex patterns and make accurate predictions. They are like the warp drives of neural networks, propelling the flow of information through the network and enabling it to reach new frontiers of learning.
Thank you for the explanation.
You're welcome. Exploring the depths of machine learning is always a thrilling adventure. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy learning.
let's remove the burden of traditional learning and embrace ourselves with the latest technologies using Minecraft.